Hello viewers, please do click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get the most recent updates. Also please do follow us on our website, Facebook page and the Instagram ID to get the most recent updates regarding the automotive news. Today in this video we wanted to share an interesting story of the Tata Tiago crash and the love for the Tata cars from their respective owners. The Tata Motors have been known for producing the safest cars in India currently with the best global NCAP ratings for the vehicles such as the Tata Tiago, Tata Nexon and the Tata Ultras. Here is one of the story of the Tata Tiago owner Mr. Satya Prakash Reddy, who owned a Tiago which was brought last October and named it as Bumblebee. Satya Prakash mentioned that he along with his two friends were riding from Ahmedabad to Hyderabad in this new Tiago, and the owner mentioned that this happened totally due to his fault as he lost a bit of concentration in between while driving the car. The car was cruising at a speed of 100 km per hour, and to avoid the pothole on the road that appeared, the owner turned the steering and lost the control over the vehicle. The car slipped off the main road and rolled over 4 times, hit a stub and stood upside down. So here in the images you can see the overall damage that has happened to the Tata Tiago and the overall build quality of the vehicle and the impact that the Tiago has taken. And now let us see some of the images of the interior. So in the interior you can see there has been a scratch on the glasses, but there is nothing much damage inside the interior. So here is another image of the interior and you can see the front dashboard. There are some minor injuries inside the Tata Tiago and rest of them are intact. So here you can see the complete driver side impact of the Tata Tiago. The driver was unconscious and had minor injuries after his hand was stuck between the door and the roof, whereas the other passengers just had a little scratches on the hands and the legs, which amazed the owner. The passengers were then helped by the local villagers and came out of the car with minimal injury. These are the times exactly when the overall weight, build quality of the car comes into limelight. Imagine any other car with less build quality, the scenario would have been different. The owner of the car was very much thankful and appreciated the company for providing such a good quality car and saving his life. Amazingly, the owner bought a new Tata Tiago again after this incident since the car saved his life and is something special to him. So please do leave your comments below with your car and the model, and if you are happy with the build quality of the car, and also share some of your experiences in the comment section with the Tata Tiago or any other car and the build quality. So also subscribe to the channel for more videos and the more interesting topics.